can't believe this was the real reason like Crystal Tower was required for this raid.
Yeah.
The long con.
For realsies, though. I thought it was gonna be for a lot more interesting of a reason rather than, oh yeah, so we just need dark boys.
Men dra liksom dasen.
Partners. And then
Partners in
Protean.
blind, I can't see. Yeah, if you need help there, like if you die or something previously, I could just save a tornado kick and a full chakra for it,
Okay.
and just blast to hell.
Raid wide and then knockback.
I don't like having to do that, but if I have to, I have to.
I blasted mine to hell and I stood there for like 3 seconds not knowing what to do.
Maybe I should buy crumpets this morning.
Not back.
Knockback.
Some
Knockback.
coffee biscuits.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Just jump off.
Okay.
yeah.
I'm right on the edge.
Yeah, you're like on the corner of the waymark.
Honestly, if you're melee, or actually, you could actually just get knocked back. It's probably more
Yeah.
uptime.
It probably is. I usually just 6 eyes already be safe and run back.
Yeah.
Countdown.
We got edged on the waymarker, that's all.
Ah. Partners. You may need to shirk me, Toka, because you had tank stance on. And then Protean afterwards. Alright, we're good. Raid wide into knockback.
B and D.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we're gonna need a... Okay.
There we go.
It's unfortunate when that happens.
Yeah, I've started to wait.
I started to wait to see what other people run to.
Yeah.
Well, we can fix our strat later. Don't mind me.
I was like, is that normal?
I may have been on the wrong side. Frazzle. Left side. And then partners relative to the boss.
Frazzle.
Oh god!
I got her.
Okay.
Feels Batman.
Feels Batman? Okay, Bruce.
Yeah.
This fight.
Na 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 na. Batman.
Frizzle.
We're gonna stay in for a bit. Go out.
Melee rotate. Face out at the end of the countdown.
Face out.
Melee rotate back.
Ranged in. Wait 1 GCD before we move out. Go out.
Melee refresh. Left side is safe.
Okay, go back.
Alice refresh.
I still have full refresh.
I refresh. Protean.
Oh, party.
Adult.
I'm gonna refresh, then you can after me.
I still go
When
refresh.
Alice leaves, I'm gonna refresh.
I'll come back in after Estilla. Okay, I'm coming back in.
Okay, I'm done.
Everyone in.
It's gonna be summon right after this.
Yes. I believe in you guys.
Or Pog.
I'm not bad at these mechanics.
Yeah, that one was just really weird to me. I couldn't conceptualize it.
This is LD.
So that one's actually easier because you definitely know what's in between. For me, at least.
Sure.
Left.
Left side.
Protean.
Protean. What's your protean spot, Toka?
Oh, south.
Okay.
Protean. Right side.
That was big lag for me.
1 second. I'll get him when he comes back. Okay, Brambles.
Okay.
Frizzle.
Probably need a little
Get up,
bit more
get up
healing,
ASAP. Get up ASAP. You're fine.
Knockback.
At the end of this catch, knockback.
Just gonna get pushed back.
We're on a cross and then clockwise if you have to.
yeah. Oh, wait.
Go.
I'm on the. I got tethered to some weird shit. It's okay.
Okay.
I think we all made it.
I'm really far.
That's gonna be raid wide first. Oh, sorry, this one first.
Wide angle.
Relative, right? Oh fuck!
Technically raid wide.
I'm on the wrong
That's
side.
fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Oh, I can't even rest here.
Out.
Out.
No, we're okay. We're okay.
Everyone come back in for heals.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Sadly,
Just
lines.
thank God we can survive a two-step.
Yeah. It was very
Great
sad.
white.
Frizzle. Oh, you have the boss still.
Now we're
Right.
gonna do the.
That mechanic is relative, by the way.
All right, remember what we have to do here.
Yep. Line and circles go off at the same time, and then do what you have to do afterward.
DB.
This
What's
is gonna
your
be B or
what's your
D.
stack position, Toka?
Oh, south.
On the right side, right side,
Okay.
right side, right side.
Right side.
Yep, totally right.
Right side.
And then it's gonna be Protean.
Protean,
Protean.
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 Left side.
So,
Oh
so.
shit, I'm dead.
That's
There's
really
no
slow.
left
Not
side.
Okay.
Devouring dart.
We've got
I evoked. I evoked.
Still LP whenever.
I'm moving in-ish. Okay.
I'm gonna do it after my
Gonna be
first
an NP. Yeah, we're going to tiles next.
This house.
Okay.
Should be tiles, yes.
Right.
Yeah, that's empty.
now.
Okay.
Alright. I'm doing the same position, Toka, that I normally do.
Remember, wait before you move out.
Okay.
Go out.
Do the
I'm
gloves.
not gonna hit the thing.
Don't hit the thing.
Yeah, I'm killing.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Congrats.
Yeah, we did it. Nice.
Hog.
Nice.
All right. What do we get for loot?
Oh, sorry,
Good
I
job,
forgot
guys.
the loot master. No one press anything, please.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
Oh man, I accidentally hit my sheath button.
How dare you press
Wait,
something?
we cleared the same time as Slaying Static.
Oh, Pog.
Nice.